Hey, Matt, I want to get into stocks, but first I got to ask you about Bitcoin's price action. Any ideas on it?
Wow. I think people got kind of off guard when they saw that huge rally, and that's what you got, a little blow off the top kind of rally. There's so much concern about the markets overall that people were plowing money into an alternative investment. Cryptocurrency was hot after Facebook's announcement. Bitcoin was naturally where you're going to put your money. It's got the most traction. It's got the most upside potentially, and that's why you saw it. Today you saw the reverse. There was no real back news story behind it, and that's why you saw it sell off pretty aggressively.
And at the same time, FinTwit was saying, wow, I can't wait for Bitcoin to be the world currency after it loses $1,000 in an hour. That'll be great.
Yeah, I was talking to one of my an older gentleman yesterday, and he said he just doesn't understand Bitcoin at all, and he's been in the markets for over 40 years, and he said he doesn't understand that type of investment. So they still have to get over that part of it. You still have to understand what you're investing, and Bitcoin looks good when it's going up, but it feels painful when it goes down.
It sure does. And let's take a look at the second quarter. We had 5 stocks, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft being a few of them that made up 30% of the S&P gains. Is that a good or a bad thing?
Well, that's what we've had over the last few years, it seems. The FANG stocks have done remarkably well. We do need a new leadership group if we're going to go to new highs, probably, but they're going to be a staple of it for the foreseeable future. So if they're not performing, the S&P's got no chance of going higher.
Are you expecting to have a good summer, Matt?
Well, you know what, I think we start to walk down expectations enough if we get something as far as clarity goes. It doesn't even have to be final in the G20 meeting. We just need clarity. We need to step in the right direction. If we're not going to impose new tariffs, those are all good things and it's positive. So I would expect that because of expectations have been walked down enough that companies should have the potential to meet that bar or exceed it.
Next week, we have Thursday off. Will that have any impact, being that it's an odd day of the week to have off?
No, it would be awfully nice. There's going to be a lot of slow volume around here. I would imagine a half day Wednesday and then Friday after. I think everyone will be nursing hangovers and things. So the weather finally looks pretty good. So tomorrow is the rebalance of the Russell Index, and it's one of the biggest volume days of the year. It also coincides with the end of the quarter. So I would expect anyone that's looking to move a position or establish a position, unwind a position, it's going to do it by tomorrow. And then next week is going to be awfully slow.
When we need investment advice, we like to go to you, Matt Cheslock. You do mention a hangover for your viewers out there. Watermelon water. All right? Just keep that in mind. Thank you so much, Matt.
You got it, boss.